Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So, in today's video may dito ka! Magdi-dinner kami. Oh, so, andito kami sa Napier. And welcome back to my vlog. My niece, ang aking magandang niece. Magdi-dinner kami dito sa Shanice, dito sa my Napier, New Zealand. So, mukhang maganda dito Tignan natin kung ano ang makakain sa loob, kung ano ma-order at i-film ko rin ang loob ng restaurant. So, stay tuned guys, don't go! So, ayan ang sexy ng aking niece. Sana all. So, ayan na ayan na Shanice at dito ang Shanice. Shanice Family Eatery and Bar. Ayan. Mukhang maganda Pwede kumain sa labas pag summer. Ayan. Shanice. Open sila. Oh, very nice restaurant. Wow. Anywhere. Mayroong bar. Very nice. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. Tapos merong doon sa loob. Ewan ko ano meron doon sa loob. So, yeah, very nice place. Ganda. So, ayan, dito kami pepwesto. Ayan, ang ganda. Bukas ang bintana. The window is open. It's so cool here, right?
Burgers?
4 cheeseburgers and salad.
Cheers.
Sunday family roast. So Sunday, so you've ordered that Sunday feast.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear, happy birthday to you.
So guys, andito na yung namin, pagkain namin. Grabe, ang dami! Thank you so much. What's your name?
Raj.
Thank you, Raj.
Salamat.
I'm vlogging. Please watch this video. I will give you my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thank you. So this is the food. Ayan. Look at the spare ribs. This is 2 kgs of spare ribs, and then beef burger and chicken burger. And salad and chips. Wait, Ron, wait. Gabi, ang sarap-sarap naman. Oh!
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Ayan. Ang ganda naman ng birthday cake ko. Ayan. Thank you, May.
Welcome!
Grabe, anak, 2 kgs yan, Hindi na tayo makapagbukbang. Sa baba magbukbang?
Ikaw?
Sige, mukbang tayo. Post ko muna to. Grabe, guys. Hindi ako maka-move on dito sa sa spare ribs. Biro mo, Ilan yan,
4 na malalaki.
4 na malalaki. Grabe, ang laki.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
One more, You want more? Yep. Okay.
Yum?
Wala na ako lipstick. Grabe, ang sarap ng pagkain. Ang dami namin tira, guys. Ayan, napapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan pa yung tira namin, Laki. Ayan pa tira. Ayan, may mga tira pa. Ang sarap ng cake, guys. Ang sarap. Thank you. Thank you ulit. Ang sarap. It's so yummy, Ronnie.
Right.
The cake,
It is great.
yummy. The cake, yeah. And thank you also for this treat, birthday
Right.
treat. Thank you, husband.
Right.
So, ayan na guys. Ayun, may nagtira pang ano. Oh, ayan, oh. Salad. So, binigyan kami ng ano, ng container. Ayan, 2 container. At iti-take aways namin yan. Iti-take aways namin yan. So, dito na nagtatapos ang aking vlog, guys. Ang sarap ng dinner namin. So, thank you very much for watching. Keep safe, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. So, bye. Say bye.
Bye.